Our next topic is, next kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. Okay. In interrogative sentence, first thing, questions will be asked in this kind of sentence. Questions will be asked. Second thing, question mark. Question mark will be used at the end of each sentence. Okay. For example, this is the easiest kind of sentence because you will be seeing question mark in every sentence. If you see interrogative sentences, there will be question mark at the end. So this becomes the easiest to recognize. For example, what is your name? What is your name? Question mark. Then another example. How are you? Another example. Why do you want me to meet? Okay, this is these sentences are interrogative sentences. First thing, question mark will be there at the end. Second thing, the question will be asking questions. These sentences will be asking questions. Next kind is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, in these kinds of sentences, expresses order or a request or a command. They will end with full stop. They end with full stop. These two things you have to remember for imperative sentences. Expresses order, request or command. For example, when you ask for a pen from your friends, please give me your copy, please give me your pen. You say na? You say, give me your pen. Sometimes you use please, give me your pen please. This is imperative sentence. When someone is giving you order, suppose your class teacher is asking you to switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. Then that is a command. Order. What is the order? Order is that something that you have to do. Anyhow, you have to do. When you do some mischief, class teacher says to stand up, to get out of the class. All these are known as command. When PT teacher says left turn, that is a command. Switch off the fan. What it is? Sorry, this one is also a command, or this one request. do not talk so loudly, or be quiet. These sentences are imperative sentences. These sentences are imperative sentences. They will in these sentences full stop will be there at the end, but in these sentences you will find some expression of the request, order or the command. They are easily recognizable because अगर आप इसको पढ़ोगे तो ये सारी फीलिंग अगर आपको दिखती है तो आपको आसानी से समझ में आ जाएगा कि ये इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस है. ओनली इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस एंड assertive sentence you will find little confusion to recognize, okay, because both are ending with full stop, but in this factual information will be there, big sentences will be there. In imperative sentence order, command or request will be there, so you can easily recognize them. Last kind of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. These sentences expresses, these kind of sentences expresses strong feeling or emotion. When you find some feeling or emotions into the sentence, then you should understand that is a exclamatory sentence. Another thing, you will always find exclamation mark in the sentence. Exclamation mark will be used. In the sentence, exclamation mark will be used. For example, what a beautiful scenery. What a beautiful scenery. Exclamation mark is there at the end. And what a beautiful. Beautiful is a feeling. Beautiful is an emotion that comes, feeling that comes from one person after seeing the scenery. So beautiful is the emotion, and second thing, exclamation mark is used. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, next is hooray. Hooray, we won the match. See, here hooray, celebration is there when we won the match. Suppose two teams are playing football, one team won the match, hooray, we won the match. So here exclamation is at the end, here exclamation is in the beginning only. It does not matter कि exclamation mark आपका end में है कि पहले है, but the thing matters that exclamation mark has to be there in the sentence. If it is there in the sentence, you can easily recognize. आप पहचान सकते हो. Recognize means you can easily identify what kind of sentence is it. Okay, so I will go a quick revision of it, that all the 4 kinds of sentences with your book. This time with your book. Already we have seen what is a sentence, group of words arranged in a particular order. Particular order. Second thing, to convey it is a group of words. Third thing, clear meaning. Okay. Kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences I have taught you? There are 4 kinds of sentences. First one, assertive sentences. Assertive sentences ends with full stop. They expresses a statement or tells a fact or tell you a fact. We all wish to live a happy life. There are diary on the desk. These sentences are assertive sentences. Next type of sentence is interrogative. Already I have told you, with interrogative, the word, when the word comes in your mind, the one thing that should come is the question mark. जैसे ही आप interrogative सुनो, आपके दिमाग में question mark जरूर आना चाहिए. It asks a question. Interrogation mark is there at the end. What is in the drawer? Next type is imperative sentences. Imperative expresses an order, request or command. Always end with full stop. Okay, sentences will be smaller over here. as compared to assertive sentences. Lift the box. Try to do better. Open a page at page number 7. Okay, these all kinds of sentences. These sentences are imperative sentences. Read the following exclamatory sentences. These are exclamatory. How you can recognize? With the exclamation mark. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling or emotions. Always end with an exclamation mark. You can see over here, exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. What a delicious meal. What an impressive building it is. How intelligent this student is. Okay, I hope this thing is clear for you. Okay. Good luck everyone. Best of luck.